First Date 16 Tips and Tricks for Success. The first date is an exciting and pivotal moment in the early stages of a romantic relationship. It sets the tone for future interactions and lays the foundation for potential connections. However, first dates can also be nerve-wracking and filled with uncertainties. This video aims to provide comprehensive tips and tricks for a successful first date experience. By following these guidelines, individuals can navigate the first date with confidence, authenticity, and the potential for a meaningful connection. Preparing for the first date. Preparation is key to ensuring a smooth and enjoyable first date experience. We will discuss essential pre-date preparations, including personal grooming, selecting appropriate attire, and choosing a suitable venue. Additionally, we will delve into the importance of mental and emotional preparation, managing expectations, and cultivating a positive mindset for the date. Establishing clear communication. Clear communication is crucial in the lead-up to a first date. We will explore effective ways to communicate with your date, including setting a date and time, discussing preferences and expectations, and exchanging contact information. Effective communication helps establish mutual understanding and ensures both parties are on the same page before meeting. Choosing the right venue. Selecting an appropriate venue sets the tone for the first date. We will discuss various venue options, such as casual coffee shops, trendy restaurants, or outdoor activities, and explore the factors to consider when making a decision. Tailoring the venue to shared interests, comfort levels, and the desired atmosphere can create a positive and conducive environment for conversation and connection. Conversation starters and icebreakers. Initiating conversation can be daunting on a first date. We will provide a repertoire of conversation starters and icebreakers to help ease tension and foster engaging discussions. These prompts will encourage meaningful exchanges, showcasing genuine interest in your date's life, hobbies, and experiences. Active listening and engaging in dialogue. Active listening is a crucial skill to make your first date memorable. We will discuss the importance of attentive listening, maintaining eye contact, and demonstrating genuine interest in your date's stories and opinions. Additionally, we will explore techniques to encourage open and balanced dialogue, such as asking follow-up questions and sharing personal anecdotes.
Navigating awkward moments. Awkward moments are common on first dates, and knowing how to navigate them gracefully is essential. We will address common awkward situations, including silences, miscommunication, or differences in opinions, and provide strategies to handle them with poise and humor. By approaching these moments with resilience and lightheartedness, you can turn potential obstacles into opportunities for connection. Body language and nonverbal cues. Nonverbal communication plays a significant role in conveying interest, confidence, and sincerity. We will discuss the importance of positive body language, such as maintaining good posture, using appropriate gestures, and displaying open and welcoming gestures. Understanding and utilizing nonverbal cues effectively can enhance your overall presence and make a positive impression on your date. Managing expectations. Managing expectations is crucial to enjoying the first date experience. We will explore the balance between being open-minded and maintaining realistic expectations. By focusing on the present moment and getting to know your date without placing undue pressure on the outcome, you can create a relaxed and enjoyable atmosphere for both parties. Dealing with rejection and rebounds. Not all first dates lead to a second, and rejection is a possibility. We will discuss how to handle rejection gracefully, maintaining dignity and respect for both yourself and your date. Additionally, we will address the concept of rebounds and the importance of taking time for self-reflection and self-care if the first date does not lead to the desired outcome.
Building a connection. Building a genuine connection on a first date requires creating an environment of trust and vulnerability. We will discuss techniques for fostering emotional connection, such as sharing personal stories, being authentic, and actively engaging in meaningful conversations. By fostering a genuine connection, you can lay the groundwork for a potentially deeper and more meaningful relationship. Balancing talking and listening. A successful first date involves finding a balance between sharing about yourself and listening to your date. We will provide tips on how to strike this balance effectively, allowing for equal participation and ensuring both individuals feel heard and understood. Balancing talking and listening promotes mutual respect and demonstrates genuine interest in each other's lives. Handling awkward or sensitive topics. First dates often involve discussions on a wide range of topics, including sensitive subjects. We will explore strategies for navigating potentially awkward or sensitive topics, such as politics, religion, or past relationships. Learning to approach these topics with sensitivity, respect, and open-mindedness can lead to constructive and enlightening conversations. Embracing authenticity. Authenticity is key to a successful first date. We will discuss the importance of being true to yourself, expressing your genuine thoughts and emotions, and avoiding the temptation to create a false persona. Embracing authenticity allows for a more meaningful connection and sets the stage for a potential future based on honesty and trust. Managing nervousness and anxiety. First dates can evoke nervousness and anxiety in many individuals. We will explore strategies for managing these emotions, such as deep breathing exercises, positive self-talk, and reframing anxious thoughts. By addressing and managing nervousness, you can present your best self and fully enjoy the first date experience.
Assessing compatibility. A first date serves as an opportunity to assess compatibility and determine if there is potential for a future relationship. We will discuss methods for evaluating compatibility, including assessing shared values, goals, and interests. Understanding the importance of compatibility and evaluating it objectively can help make informed decisions regarding future interactions. Ending the date. Concluding a first date can sometimes be awkward or uncertain. We will provide tips on how to end the date gracefully, such as expressing gratitude, discussing future plans, or deciding on a potential next step. Properly concluding the date allows for a positive and respectful closure, regardless of the outcome. Conclusion. A successful first date requires preparation, active engagement, and genuine connection. By following the tips and tricks outlined in this article, individuals can navigate the first date with confidence, authenticity, and the potential for a meaningful connection. Remember, every first date is an opportunity for growth and self-discovery, regardless of the outcome. Approach each date with an open mind, be true to yourself, and embrace the excitement of the journey towards finding a compatible partner.